Hold up. No.
I'm happy to this is Arcjeff's pond. And we're gonna go watch those. Here we go. I got those. I got the serious remote in my hand.
Slow down. Slow down.
I got the serious remote in my hand. And we got the serious remote. Here's the serious keypad. I don't know what to call it. So here we go. Here's the serious golf. Here we go. That's fast. You have to go in this way. We got some stuff in here. Yeah, I'll show you the machine. First neck. Okay, watch the machine. That's machine. His machine. And here's Chipwood. It's a new one. On his box drive, my cube here, no my cube up here. I'll show you check push the chicken button. Push the chicken button here if I can reach it. It goes over checkpoint, march out to it.
Okay. All right.
Here, Thomas says, bye guys, and here's the restaurant going down. That's the way. Let me go come out, and then I can make room for my grandpa. Let me come out. It's the wrong last time. Here we go. Sancho's. Here we go. I'm happy, so that's the Craftsman Chapin. Bye.